come up onto our forearms. 12 repeats. Stretching out that lower back.
Nossa, que bacana.
Stretching your chest out. And on the next inhale, we're going to bring our right foot into the right hand. Pulling that calf, or pulling the foot and coming closer to our glute.
Tô muito sensual, mas cabrinha. Veja minha cara cansada. Espiou aqui um brilho.
Nice hamstring stretch.
Eu falei que ia espirrar. Desviou, não?
Hold it here for 3 more breaths. Breathing into
Sei que
those
deve ser
tight
uma
areas. And on the next exhale, we're going to let go of that leg. Grabbing onto the left leg with our left hands.
Caraca,
Pulling that
velho.
foot closer to our glute.
Ela desviou, olha minha cara.
I forget to make sure you're here. No, that's not. Two more breaths like this. And on that next exhale, release that leg. Bringing our hands back to the other side. We're going to press back to the plank. Hold it for nice 3 breaths. And we're going to lift with the right hand. Stacking those feet, stacking those shoulders. Few more breaths. And exhale back to plank. Take a nice deep breath here, and we're going to switch sides. gonna come into some sun salutation. So exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come up halfway like you're peering over a cliff. Pressing that heart out to the earth, giving love to the earth. And exhale, we're gonna come back to the plank. Hold that plank nice and strong. One full breath. Exhale, come down very slowly. Releasing those toes. Inhale, back to the cobra. Exhale, back down to your mat. Tuck those toes. And press into downward dog. Pedaling out those legs if you need. And on the next exhale, walk those toes to your hands. Take a nice deep breath with your forward fold.
Como que eu faço?
On that exhale, we're very slowly going to roll up. Two more sun salutations. Wave both hands and exhale, dive forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, back down to the plank. Nice strong backs. And exhale, very slowly down your mat. Release the toes. Inhale, roll up. Toes. Press into downward dog. Good, nice deep breath in this forward fold. And exhale, roll up very slowly. One more sun salutation. Waking up that body, feeling the heat, feeling energies. Shining your heart out to the goats, giving love to the goats.
Sou muito fofinho.
Take two nice deep breaths in this downward dog. And exhale, walk those toes to our hands. And then exhale, very slowly roll up. We're going to do some more sequencing. So let's come to the top of our mat. Tucking our tailbones in. We're going to inhale, lift with our hands, and exhale, come into chair. Two more breaths here. Nice strong legs. If you're sitting on a baby, go. And exhale, come forward. We're going to step back with that right leg. Coming into a high lunge, also known as dragonfly. Pressing those hips down towards the earth. And inhale, lift with the left hand, stack it over the right shoulder. Still engaging those hips.
Ela vai vir aqui, ó. Tem que vir aqui.
back to the center. Take a nice deep breath, find your balance. And on that exhale, we're going to twist. Bringing that right elbow to the left knee. Inhale back to heart center. And exhale, twist the other way. More breaths here. And next exhale, we're going to release the hands and grab them around the back. Two more breaths here. That left hand should be under that left knee. And exhale, hands back to heart center. We're going to drop that right hand onto the mat. And take the Oh, that's good luck. All right.
Nossa, todos os
And exhale, both hands on the mat. We're going to toss that back foot toes on the back leg and step the other leg into downward dog. Pressing those feet towards the ground, hips towards the ceiling. And then next inhale, we're going to lift that right leg. Three-legged dog. Opening up that hip flexor if you can. And exhale, both feet on the mat. And walk those toes to your hands. Take a nice deep breath in this forward fold. And on that exhale, we're going to slowly push back into chair. Hold it here for 2 more breaths. And exhale, forward fold. Take a nice deep inhale. And on that next exhale, we're very slowly going to roll up. One vertebrae at a Come back to the top of our mat, knee on the other side. Inhale, lift with our hands. Exhale, chair. Nice strong legs, strong glutes. Hold here for 2 more breaths. And fold forward and step back with that left leg. Nice high lunge.
rainha das capas. Tem um monte de vocês no milhão, pelo amor de Deus.
More breaths here. Pressing those hips down towards the earth. Inhale, lift with that right hand.
Esse amor dele. Sim. Na moral.
You gotta go ahead. And exhale, both hands overhead. Drop that back knee. Release those back toes. Bring your hands to heart center. Square those hips. Find your balance. And exhale, lift the hands. The next exhale, we're going to reverse it, pressing those hands towards the back wall. Pressing the hips closer to the mat. Two more breaths here. And exhale, get it back to heart center. A nice deep breath, and we're going to twist that left elbow over the right knee. little further. Maybe it hurts less. 2 more breaths here. And on that next exhale, we're very slowly going to roll up, 1 vertebrae at a time. Head and neck come up last. We're going to cross those legs, bringing the hands to the heart center. And we're all going to say namaste. Namaste. Good job, guys. You guys did a great job today. And you guys are really getting used to people, so good job. We're going to give you guys a few minutes to have one-on-one time with the ghost. If you want to take photos, poses, if you want to hold the ghost. A few announcements before we do that. We do host private events. We can do it for companies, birthday parties. You can inquire about that on our website. We can also do a baby goat grand where we bring 2 baby goats to pretty much register for anything. You guys can also inquire about that on our website. Also, this is Omniball, and we like helping out small businesses. So if you guys are going to take photos, feel free to hashtag Omniballroom or Rocky Mountain Goat Yoga, or tag our page at Rocky Mountain Goat Yoga. It helps us get exposure. And then also right now we're looking for more people to give us reviews on Facebook, Google, Yelp. So if you guys have time to do that, we would love if you guys can give us a review about how you liked class today. And then last but not least, some of these guys are still looking for names. So if you guys have any suggestions,